Vidonymous is a location-based video sharing app that allows the users to post videos to the map from the location that they film those videos at. When the Vidonymous project first started, I was itching to make something with videos and something with multiple users. So naturally it made sense to make a video sharing app. But I needed something a little bit different, and that's how the idea for Vidonymous started. Building Vidonymous definitely presented quite a few fun challenges. Most memorably, there was a bug in getting the user's current location to display as a blue dot. In addition, retaining the app's navigational structure when notifications are clicked while the app was already open was especially challenging. There were a few main safety concerns that I wanted to be cognizant of during the design process of Anonymous. One of those major things is cyberbullying, which is incredibly prevalent online in social media and sharing apps these days, to the point where college students have actually asked some of them to be banned from campus because of the excessive nature of the cyberbullying that's going on. So to prevent that sort of thing from happening in Vidonymous, I decided to completely remove the idea of any sort of negative feedback, including comments or downvoting. So the only type of encouragement that could be given to other videos is the star feature, which allows users to star videos that they like so they can encourage more of the same type of content, but nobody can be discouraged through the use of Vidonymous. Another major problem that presented itself during the design process is the sharing of identity, which ultimately resulted in the naming and the concept of Anonymous, to be able to share anything you want without having to worry about punishing your online presence because of the actions of a friend, or even in relation to the cyberbullying aspect. Inappropriate or illegal content was a huge concern during the design of this application. Just the idea of being able to post anonymously does tend to draw the darkness out of the corners. So because of that, and wanting this to be a family application where even older teens are able to use it comfortably without their parents worrying, I decided to go completely anonymous in the aspect of other users. However, using Google Sign-In and a reporting feature, I was able to incorporate a sort of safety net where users are able to report inappropriate content, allowing the administrators of the app to either remove it or even report it to the authorities associated with the Google account that posted the video. Google APIs were an integral part of this project. The Google Maps API was used to display the main map. The Google Places API was used to retrieve and display place data for each of the places rather than just a geographical location. Firebase was used to store all of the data for this project. The Firebase database was used to store user information and video information. The Firebase storage was used to store preview images and the videos themselves. Firebase Auth was used for authentication for users to the database when signing in with their Google account through the Google Play API. The first screen of Anonymous is a sign-in screen that explains what the application is a little bit and provides a Google sign-in button for the user. Once clicking on that sign-in button, the user is prompted to sign in with one of the accounts existing on the device, which proceeds to authenticate the user with Google Sign-In and Firebase authentication, allowing them to access the database. From there, permissions are requested for user location as well as device storage, and the user is presented with the map interface using Google Maps API, which pulls the video information from Firebase and uses the Google Maps API to integrate the map along with custom info windows that you'll see momentarily. User location is integrated to display the user's location in the map and allow the user to focus in on their location within the map at any time by pressing the user location button. The user can make a new post to their location on the map at any time by clicking the floating action button located in the map screen. Once clicking on that floating action button, the user will be redirected to a new post interface. The new post interface has a video camera button in the top right-hand screen. When clicked on, the user is navigated to the built-in Android video capture application to capture a new video. Once a video is captured, the user just needs to type in a great title, and they're able to preview the video if desired before posting it by simply tapping on the preview image. Once the user is confident with their post, they can click the check mark and post their video to the map, which will display a new marker in the location the video was captured. When a new video is posted, the video itself is stored to Firebase Storage, and all the other information along with the user data and the Google place that the video was captured is stored to Firebase database. To view any of the videos in Vidonymous, the user is able to find one of the map markers, tap on the marker to see the custom info window that displays all of the preview information, such as stars and views and a preview image, along with the title and the place. From there, the user is able to click on that to expand the preview. From the screen, they're able to tap on the preview to view the video just as they would in the Create Video screen, or add a star to the video. They're also able to report the video by clicking on the Options menu, which brings up a report screen, allowing the user to type in a reason that the video should be reported, and then submit that report to review by administration. To search the map, the user is able to click on the magnifying glass from the map screen, which brings up a Google autocomplete activity. All the user has to do is type in the first few letters of the place they'd like to search for, click on that place in the autocomplete, and the map will zoom right to that place. The map markers are removed after a video post has been shown on the map for 2 days. However, a user might want to go back into their memories to see the videos that they've posted. So to do that, they can navigate to the Options menu of the map screen and click on the My Videos option, which will take them to the My Videos page that shows all of their accumulated views and stars that they've achieved the entire time they've been using Vidonymous, as well as a list view of all their previous videos that they can scroll through, click on to watch the video and see the place that it was taken. The settings activity can be accessed from the My Videos activity. However, it can also be just as easily accessed from the Options menu in the Maps activity by the same name. Once the user navigates to the Notifications activity, they have a switch tied into the Shared User Preferences to turn notifications on and off, as well as a Sign Out button from the Options menu allowing the user to sign out of their current Google account, de-authenticate with Firebase, and return to the sign-in screen. From the sign-in screen, the user is then able to sign back in with either the same account or a different Google account registered to the device. When notifications are enabled, there's an ongoing notification according to Android platform guidelines to inform the user that their location is being tracked. The ongoing notification also allows the user to easily open Vidonymous at any time by simply clicking on the ongoing notification, which will open the application, automatically log them in and authenticate them with Firebase, and navigate them to their location within the map. The user will receive a push notification when a new post is made to the map within 10 miles of their current location. In that notification, the user is able to preview the title and the post of the notification and click either the body of the notification or the view button to dismiss the notification, open the application, automatically log them in, zoom the map to the location of that new post, and display the info window for the new post, hopefully keeping the user within the application by providing them with the same user experience that they would receive were they to open the application from the launcher icon. Through all the challenges that presented themselves during Vidonymous development, one thing continued to resonate with me. One of the beauties of being a developer is that no matter what the project is, you will always encounter unique challenges. Even though it can be frustrating, it keeps you in a constant state of personal evolution. APIs will progress. Even languages like Java, which has been around since the early 90s, are still progressing to work better with new technologies. So always be prepared by research and planning. But know that as a developer, no matter how much you prepare yourself, no matter how much you research and plan, you will never be able to predict all of the challenges that will present themselves during a project. Which is amazing, because that means as a developer, there will never be just another ordinary, mundane workday. My name is Heather Baker, and I want to thank you for taking the time to learn about my development process with Vidonymous.